Now, you can actually initialize an array once you declare it. So that's what I'm going to do with this example. Using namespace. std. Here's my array. Constant, because I want to make sure the size is fixed. Nobody can adjust that size. Months equals to 12. We have 12 months in a year. Oh, I forgot to say integer. So months is going to be an integer value. And I wanted to make sure that never changes. So that's why I put constant there. It's fixed. It doesn't change. Now I'm going to define an array here of days. How many days in each month? int days. It's an array of size months because we have 12 of them. Equals. And now you can put how many months in them. Now you can do partial declaration or full declaration. So since I said month, there's 12 values. If I write 31, comma, 28 for February, assuming it's not a leap year, then 31 for March, and I stop here, it's only going to put the first three values, January, February, and March. So if I said here, just to show you, cout, nope, lowercase, I use lowercase, days 1, and L, go to the next line, and cout days 4, the index is 4 here, and next line. Remember, this is in location 0, that's days 0, that's days 1, that's days 2. I don't have 3 and 4, so for days 1 I should see 28. Notice days 1 is 28, and since I don't have a value for days 4, you see a 0 there. That's partial declaration. What about if I didn't put the days here? If I said days, if I didn't put months here, what will happen? Run your program. Save it and run it. Notice what happened here. Since your array, you never specified the size, the machine looks here, it sees 3 of them, so it makes it size 3. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So on location 1 is this number. Now, location 4 I'm not using. So whatever number was saved in that memory location, God knows what that number is. From whoever used the computer before us, that's the number you see right here. So the machine just grabbed one of the memory locations on that RAM there and go, let's use this one for days 4. Let's print the number that was in it from the person who used it before. So you have to be careful with them when you put these values here. That's partial declaration. If you know the exact value for a month, I guess, if you know all the values for all of them, then you can go ahead. Then we have 30. Then we have 31. Then we have 30, then 31, then 31, 30, 31, 30, and 31. So that assigns all the values now to that. Let's save it. Let's run it. So remember, this is day 0, day 0, day 1, days 2, days 3, and there's 4. 4 is 31, 2 is 28. So if you want to print this nicely, you can set up a loop here. For, again, since we know exactly how many times, I'm a fan of the 4. int I equals 0. I is less than what? Months. I plus plus. So I'm going to print a little bit nicer here, month, and put the month here. I plus 1, because remember, the first location is 0. So you're not going to say month 0, you're going to say month 1 has space days of I here, then type days. Forgot to close this one here. So let's say month 1 has 31 days. The next line, month 2 has 28 days, and so forth. So we assigned the values at the declaration part. That's right here. Instead of reading them or assigning them, go enter the number of days. You can assign them if you know that from the beginning. That's awesome.